Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain you about how to determine the axial forces in the given truss member which is loaded. So here this is the truss member. So these are the loadings: 1000 newtons, 2000 newtons, 1000 newtons. So here two supports are there. One is roller support and one is hinge support. So for this truss member, by using method of sections, I'm going to determine axial forces. So axial forces in the CG and CE and FG. So these three members, by using method of sections, I'm going to determine the axial forces. So first we have to calculate support reactions. Okay, so we know the equilibrium conditions, that is sigma ma moment at A and summation of all forces in y direction, summation of all forces in x direction. First I am going to solve taking moments about A, that is nothing but sigma ma. So sigma ma is nothing but moments at A. So moment formula is force into perpendicular distance. So here I am considering moments at A. So at this point the moment is 0. So force into perpendicular distance is nothing but, so here the force is RB. So RB is the force and perpendicular distance from RB to this one is 3 meters. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is force and this is the perpendicular distance from RB to RA. So that's why it is RB into 3. Okay. Next force is here 2000. So 2000 force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is AD. Okay. So here it is minus 2000 into AD. Why? Because here I am considering this is the clockwise movement from D to A. So that's why it is from clockwise I am considering this as negative. For anti-clockwise it is positive. That's why here RB is anti-clockwise movement to A. That's why it is positive. And next minus 1000 into AC. So minus 1000 is this one. Again it is clockwise movement. Clockwise movement I am considering as positive. So 1000 into AC is this perpendicular distance for this force. So after that 3 into RB minus 2000 into AD. AD is nothing but this distance. So AD is nothing but AF cos 30. AF cos 30 here. AD length is nothing but AF cos 30. AD, that is AF cos 30. Next minus 1000 into AC. AC is nothing but from here to here. That is from here to here it is nothing but AG cos 30. AG cos 30. Okay. Why? Because here why I wrote like this. Here this is 30. If I am considering this axis like this, the opposite angles are always equal. So here it is 30, then it is also 30. Like that from here also. After this I am solving 3RB. I am taking this entire equation to right side, then it is positive. Cos 30, it is root 3 by 2 plus 1000 into AG is 2 meters. Here AG is 1 plus 1 2 meter and this AF is 1 meter. So AF is 1 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus 1000 into AG 2 meter into cos 30 root 3 by 2. So RP equal to 2000 by root 3 newtons. So these are the moments. Next we have to find out summation of all forces in y direction. So here y direction is RA positive, RB positive. Why? Because upward. And next, y direction forces are here. I am going to resolve this force in y direction. That is, if I going to extend this force like this, and I am going to resolve this force in this y direction, then it becomes downwards. It is nothing but 1000 cos 30. 1000 cos 30. Like that. Same here. I am resolving this force like this, and the axis is this one, and this force I am resolving in y direction. I'll show you. If suppose axis is like this and our force is like this, here it is y direction, this is 2000. If I am resolving this force into this, then it is downward, minus 2000 cos 30. Here opposite angles are always equal, so this is 30, and here this 30, this angle is adjacent to this side, so I am resolving this force to this direction. That's why it is cos 30. Same in the next case also, 1000 cos 30. After solving this, you know that RB value is 2000 by root 3 plus RA, this one is RA. After adding all this, I got 4000 root 3 by 2, that equal to 0. I am sending this minus 4000 root 3 by 2 this side, and this plus 2000 by root 3 this side. So after taking LCM, this is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 into this value, root 3 gets cancelled, sorry, 2 gets cancelled, and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 into 4000, that is 12,000. After that, here root 3 gets cancelled, and 2 into 2000 is 4000. So total 8000 by 2 root 3. So 2 gets in this, 2 gets cancelled in this, 4000 by root 3. That is RA value. So ultimately we got RB value and RA value, two unknowns, and the next unknown is XA. This is here, another XA value is there. So here next one is summation of all forces in X direction. So here XA, it is negative, left side is negative, plus 1000 sin 30. Same here, how we solve the equation, like that, here only, same here. If suppose this is 2000, I am resolving this force into this direction, that is X direction. So 2000 into this one is sin 30. So 2000 sin 30, like that, 1000 sin 30. After solving this, I got XA value, that is 2000 newtons. So after finding these support reactions, we have to draw the free body diagram for this section. Here I am passing one section that is named as MN. Why? Because we are going to determine the forces, axial forces in this member, CE, CG and FG. Okay, so I am considering the free body diagram for this section. So here is the free body diagram. Have you seen this? After passing this section MN, here I cut FCE, FCG, FFG. Okay, and we found these unknowns. XA value we know that, RA value we know that, RB value we know that. Now I am going to take moments about C. So here C point is here. So moment formula is force into perpendicular distance. FFG, here it is force for this point C. FFG, here it is minus. Why? Because this is anti-clockwise. Here I am taking anti-clockwise as negative. So FFG into perpendicular distance. This is 60 degrees and this is tan 60 minus FFG into tan 60, and next minus RB into 1.5. Minus RB is nothing but this one. This is also anti-clockwise to C, so force into perpendicular distance, that is nothing but from B to G is 1 meter and G2 from this center is 0.5, that is 1.5. So nothing but RB into 1.5. So after solving this, I got the equation FFG that equal to 2000 newtons. Here it is tension. So tension is nothing but away the point. So FFG is away the point we assumed. So hence this one is correct. Why? Because I got the negative value, I wrote it as tension. Tension is nothing but negative. Next, after taking moments about G. So moments at G, that is nothing but, here it is G point. Okay, so moments minus FCE, minus FCE into force into perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance for C, for point G, here we are taking moments at G, so perpendicular points from this section C to this G is this one. Okay, that is nothing but FCE into 1 into sine 30. Here this is 1. So FCE into perpendicular distance is 1 into sine 30 minus RB into 1. So here RB is this one into perpendicular distance from this G to B is 1. Okay, so after solving this, I got the equation. Here I am sending this minus FC into left hand side, so right hand side, it becomes positive. Here minus RB value is 2000 by root 3, we know that, into 2. This 2 is nothing but sine 30 is 1 by 2. So here it is left hand side, when it moves to right hand side it becomes multiplication. So I got minus 2309. So here minus is nothing but tension, but here FCE value is, here we assumed as compression. Now we have to reverse the sign of the force. Why? Because we got the negative value indicates the tension, but here we assumed as compression. Okay, so now we can reverse the sign of the force. Now it is compression. And the last one is FCG. So taking moments about B. Now I am taking moments about B. Okay, nothing but FCG. Here it is FCG, force into perpendicular distance. So FCG is the force into perpendicular distance, that is 1 into sine 60. Okay, why? Because FCG is this value and here it is 60 and this is the perpendicular distance. So FCG into sine 60, that is FCG. So here it is multiplication, when it moves to right hand side it becomes dividend, then 0 by anything is 0. Finally we got the values of FFG and FCG and FCE. So like that we can determine the axial forces in the given truss by using method of sections. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.